Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalizations. So the first thing which I recommend to do is to go to the settings. Here let's scroll all the way up to find network and internet. Here scroll down and localize private DNS. Let's mark private DNS provider hostname and here let's enter DNS.adguard.com and tap on save. And as you can see, we just successfully added this private DNS, which is great because it will limit the advertisements. What I also recommend to do here in the settings is to scroll down and localize Google services and preferences. Let's tap on it. Then let's go to all services. Here scroll down and find ads in the privacy and security section. And here we've got something which is called advertising ID. And removing it will not necessarily limit the number of advertisements that you see. However, it will for sure limit the personalization. Let me explain. Basically, the device is gathering the information about your search, and after that, based on it, it will show you the advertisement. So, for example, I was looking for a lamp for my living room. And after searching, my device started to show me the advertisements with the same lamp or with different variations of the lamp, with different offers, different shops, etc. Which means that it basically just took the information about my search and tried to show me different offers of the same item, and this is how the advertising ID works. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID and tap on Delete, and it will be removed. Another thing that I also recommend to do is to remove the notifications. Turn off the notifications. Because sometimes some apps will show us the advertisements right here in our notification center. And let's be honest, it's so annoying. So you need to localize the app that is showing you the kind of advertisements. Tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here, let's go to notifications, and as you can see, here we've got different categories of the notifications, and what you can do is to simply try to find the notification that is somehow connected with the advertisement. So, for example, payments, deals, and recommendations. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. However, if you don't really need any notifications from this app, I highly recommend to simply tap on the switcher at the very top, so you will be able to limit all of the notifications, which is great, right? Because we are receiving quite a lot of notifications and information from all of the apps. So removing or turning off the notifications from one app is beneficial. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the ad blocks in the Play Store. So just tap on it, not now. No thanks. Go to search and enter adblock or adblocker, whatever. Because nowadays you can find not only the ad blocks for the browsers, but also for the whole content, here for the Android, etc. So I highly recommend to check all of the options, because maybe one will be good for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.